Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the essentials. Sign in as an administrator because Defender requires elevated rights. Once signed in, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Windows Security. This path leads directly to the protection dashboard. Select Virus and Threat Protection and scroll to Exclusions. That's your control plane. You're doing this so Defender won't scan specific files, folders, processes, or file types, which can prevent false positives and improve. Now you add or remove exclusions. Click Manage Settings, then Add or Remove Exclusions to see the list. To add, pick File, Folder, File Type, or Process. Choose the right type to avoid overbroad exclusions. For example, exclude a single exe rather than an entire drive. Browse to the item and confirm. To remove, click the ellipsis next to an entry and choose Remove. Make sure to document changes so you can audit why each exclusion exists later. Finish by validating your work. Run a targeted scan against protected areas to confirm excluded items are skipped. Once done, restart Windows Security or reboot the PC if behavior doesn't update immediately. If an exclusion isn't applied, check that the path and permission are correct, then reset Windows Security settings or restart the Security Center service. As a key troubleshooting tip, use Event Viewer to inspect Defender logs. They show why a file was scanned or blocked, which aids diagnosis and prevents repeat mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.